Welcome back to Making Home. Today we're going to be making over this space and turning it into my office. I started a clothing run a couple of months ago and it was getting really hard working out of just a desk. I realized I need a bigger space to work out of, and this room gets a good amount of sunlight, which is perfect for me because I shoot a lot of product photos here, and I make YouTube videos out of the space. So it just helps overall, and it's also the perfect size. We're going to be working around all this, making it look super pretty and functional. So let's get started. As you could see, this space is quite minimal. It doesn't have a lot of things on the walls or in too many decor items according to the plan as of now. I don't know how it's going to go because I want it to be functional above all, and it has to be easy to clean because I know it's going to be a mess eventually. I also want it to be colorful and inspiring to just keep me motivated. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I finished vacuuming the floors, cleaning the windows and the roof. I still need to mop the floors and remove some stains here and there, but I want to move on. I want to start hanging the curtains. I made these curtains out of some fabric that I had. So if this were not a studio space, I would want to have some fun curtains with some patterns and some color like how I had before. So when I'm taking my product photos, this fabric is usually my background. So I thought, why not use them as curtains so that I don't have to keep hanging the backdrop every time I want to shoot. makes my life a little easier if I do this. So I made them into curtains. Let me know if you want to see how I did that. I'll make another video. So I have this sofa throw. It is kind of a geometric pattern and it's pink. I don't know how much color it's going to bring in, but it's definitely going to look a lot cleaner than my current carpet. some indoor plants which would suit my conditions the best. This is a fern. It costed me 100 rupees and looks super pretty. This is a fiddly fig. I think one of the most popular plants right now. I've had this before and I killed it by overwatering once and I couldn't revive it. So this is my second plant. This is a spider plant. So bushy and so nice. Has to be one of my favorites. I think this is called a broken heart monstera. It has started growing some new leaves as well. And this was 150 rupees. I don't remember the name of this plant, but it has so much new growth and it costed me I think 250 rupees. And I have to repot this because it came in a plastic bag. This little planter has to be one of my favorite finds of that day. It was only 50 rupees. Super cute. I love the texture. It even has the hole at the bottom. I have a jade plant that I want to repot into this and put it on my table. Just got these two hanging pots. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet. They were 45 rupees. I saw one of my friend's mom had this plant and I fell in love with it and I had to get it. This is called Heart of Strings, I believe. It is having a hard time adjusting. Some of the leaves are dry and they're turning yellow. So I'm not going to repot this. I'm going to leave it in this pot itself until it gets better. Now I'm going to repot I think a couple of these plants and two plants that I already have. I have this old lampshade. It's the actual lamp part is broken, so I'm left with the shade. If I paint a nice pattern on this with a blue color and hang it from the roof, I think it's going to tie everything in together. I'll be on the lookout for a colorful carpet as well and something to swap this out with. What are you looking at?